Welcome to Lakeside Holistic Health. When we work with somebody, we look at several different things for them to figure out what's going on. And it's our unique way of figuring it out. When we look at somebody, we look at really what's going on as we try to figure out to finesse their health. And so when we're looking at them, we're looking at if there's food issues that could be going on for them, so food sensitivities, or foods in general that could be causing their symptoms and their issues that are going on. So wheat, dairy, sugar, those type things, those grains that can cause those issues through them. So as we're doing that, we want to make sure we know what's going on. We can test for that, or we can just kind of make some assumptions and pulling out those generalized inflammatory foods that are causing their issue. We also will look at infections itself that could be going on in their body. And so those infections is looking at some subacute ones that could be going on that may not be showing up on regular blood work. We can order some antibody testing to figure out what's going on. Or like SIBO situations where they have these infections going on in their GI tract that's creating this global inflammation and symptoms that could be going on through their system. We're also going to look at nutrient deficiencies that could be going on, and again doing some specific testing to figure out what's going on. Here we're doing food sensitivity testing with the foods there. Infections, we can do some lab work to see itself if there's immune responses or antibodies within the blood itself. With nutrient deficiencies, we're going to look at organic acid testing to really look at what nutrients this person needs to make sure they're functioning the way they're supposed to and get their body going. Here itself, we're going to look at environmental issues that could be going on. So environmental issues as far as things in the environment, in their lifestyle that's creating the issues that's going on with their health, and testing for that. We can see again with those type things, some organic acids testing that can see what's going on. Here we're going to look at the stress response in the system itself. So looking at the adrenals and what's going on with that and looking how the body's handling that stress. If there's an overload or they're handling it well, or if there's too much going on, their system's no longer be able to handle those stressful responses. So we're going to look at really a Dutch test is the common one we're using now to look at those stress hormones there, along with the hormones in the body itself to see what's going on. The other one is structure. So from a chiropractic perspective, is there something going on with the structure itself? The spinal system, the joint system, anything that's going on there that could be causing stress to the system, that in turn causes a disorder, that can in turn cause symptoms with what's going on. Finally, the endocrine system as a whole there is looking at, the stress hormones, the thyroid, the estrogen, progesterone, DHA, and testosterone. So all those hormones there, the pancreas, how the pancreas releases hormones and digestive enzymes in there. So looking at those things to really see, like insulin, looking at those things to really help figure out what's going on and balance the body overall. So our unique approach here at Lakeside is really trying to finesse your health to have its best way possible to live a healthy and happy life.